Come test drive the 2018 Golf. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, CarNet satellite communications, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, audio speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.